Hello, welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to discuss some questions from question papers from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. This is first part of this chapter and we'll be discussing some questions from this chapter. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay. So let us start now. And the question is, find the 10th term of the sequence root 2, root 8, root 18, etc. So this sequence can be written as root 2. Root 8 can be written as root of 2 into 2 into 2. Root 18 can be written as root of 2 into 3 into 3, etc. The sequence will be root 2 into 2 into 2, then root 2 into 3 into 3 and so on. So we can write this as root 2. Then root of 2 into 2 into 2 is, root of 2 into 2 is 2. So 2 root 2. Now root of 3 into 3 is 3. So 3 root 2 and so on. The sequence will be root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2. What will be the next term? It will be 4 root 2. Then next term will be 5 root 2 and so on. So what is the first term of this? A equal to root 2 and common difference D equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2, which is equal to root 2. And 10th term, that is A10 or T10 equal to first term A plus n minus 1 into D. That is first term plus n minus 1 number of terms into common difference, that is root 2. So A plus, that is root 2 plus n minus 1 into D is root 2. And 10th term, find the 10th term, that is the question. So what is n here? N will be 10. 10th term means n will be 10. So this is equal to root 2 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, which is 9. 9 into root 2, which is equal to root 2 plus 9 root 2 is 10 root 2. So the 10th term will be 10 root 2. Next question. Find the next term of the series root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, etc. So, first term A is root 2 and D is root of 8 minus root 2. And root 8 is 2 root 2 minus root 2, which is equal to root 2. D is root 2. Or we can write like this itself, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, etc. The series is root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, etc. So D equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2, which is equal to root 2. Now, next term is root of next term is equal to root of 32 plus root 2, which is equal to root of 32 is root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. So the next term is 5 root 2. Okay. Next one, for what value of k will the consecutive terms 2k plus 1, 3k plus 3 and 5k minus 1 form an AP? So, common difference should be same, right? This minus this should be equal to second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. So, 3k plus 3 minus 2k plus 1 should be equal to 5k minus 1 minus 3k plus 3. So, 3k plus 3 minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 5k minus 1 minus 3k minus 3. Which means k plus 2 is equal to 2k minus 4. Bringing this k term to the left hand side and the constant to the right hand side we have k minus 2k is equal to minus 4 minus 2. That is minus k equal to minus 6, which means k equal to 6. So the value of k here is 6. So the terms will be 12 plus 1, that is 13. Then 3k plus 3 is 18 plus 3, that is 21. Then 5k, that is 30 minus 1, 29. So here the common difference is 8 and this is an AP. Okay, understood? Next one, find the 25th term of the AP, minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2, etc. So 25th term, that is A25 equal to A plus 24D. A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A plus 25 minus 1 into D, which is 24D. Okay. And A is equal to minus 5. A is the first term and D is the common difference. That is minus 5 by 2 minus of minus 5, which is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 5, and that is equal to minus 5 plus 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. So A25 is equal to minus 5 plus 24 into 5 by 2. 24 by 2 is 12. So this is equal to minus 5 plus 12 into 5 is 60. So 60 minus 5 is 55. So the 25th term is 55. Okay. Next one, the first three terms of an AP are 3y minus 1, 3y plus 5 and 5y plus 1 respectively. Then find 1. So D should be, if this is an AP, D should be same. That is second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. Which means 3y plus 5 minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 5y plus 1 minus 3y plus 5. That is 3y plus 5 minus 3y, minus of minus is plus, so plus 1 is equal to 5y plus 1 minus 3y minus 5. So this 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled and this is 6. 6 equal to 5y minus 3y is 2y and plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So we can write this as 2y minus 4 equal to 6, which means 2y equal to 6 plus 4, that is 2y equal to 10. So what is y? Y equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So the value of y here is 5. Next one, in the AP2x26, find the value of x. We know that for these terms to be in AP, common difference should be same. So x minus 2 is equal to 26 minus x. So taking this x to the left hand side, we have x plus x equal to minus 2 to the right hand side, that is 26 plus 2, which means 2x equal to 28. That means x equal to 28 by 2, which is equal to 14. So the value of x is 14. So the AP is 2, 14, 26. That is common difference of 12. Okay, understood? Next one, if 18a, b minus 3 are in AP, then find the value of a plus b. So if these terms are in AP, common difference should be same. So a minus 18 will be equal to minus 3 minus b. Right? So taking this minus b to the left hand side, we have a plus b. And the question is find the value of a plus b. So we can take this minus 18 to the right hand side. So we will get minus 3 plus 18, which is equal to 15. So what is the value of a plus b here? It is 15. Eighth question, find the common difference of the AP 1 by 3 cube, 1 minus 6 cube by 3 cube, 1 minus 12 cube by 3 cube. So common difference can be found as 1 minus 6q by 3q minus 1 by 3q. Here denominator is same for both these. So it is equal to 1 minus 6q minus 1 by 3q, which is equal to 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So we have minus 6q by 3q. Q and q will get cancelled and minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. So common difference is minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. Okay. Next, find the first four terms of an AP whose first term is 3x plus y and common difference is x minus y. First term a equal to 3x plus y and d is equal to x minus y. What is the second term? A plus d. That is 3x plus y. A2 is equal to, that is A1 equal to 3x plus y. A2 equal to 3x plus y plus x minus y. This y and minus y will get cancelled. So second term is 4x. Then what is the third term? A3 equal to 4x plus x minus y, which is equal to 5x minus y. And what is the fourth term? Fourth term is 5x minus y plus x minus y, which is equal to 6x minus 2y. So the four terms are 3x plus y, 4x, 5x minus y, 6x minus 2y. So the arithmetic progression is 3x plus y, 4x, 5x minus y, 6x minus 2y, etc. Next is find the 35th term of the AP, root x, 3 root x, 5 root x, etc. And 35th term A35 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A plus an equal to, we can write an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A35 equal to A plus 35 minus 1, that is 34D. Now A is equal to root x and D is equal to 3 root x minus root x, which is equal to 2 root x. So A35 is equal to root x plus 34 into 2 root x, which is equal to root x plus 68 root x, which is equal to 69 root x. So 35th term is 69 root x. Okay. Next one, for an AP, if A25 minus A20 equal to 45, then find the value of D. We know that A25 equal to A plus 25 minus 1D and A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1D, which is equal to A plus 24D and this is equal to A plus 19D. So A25 minus A20 is equal to A plus 24D minus A plus 19D, which is equal to A plus 24D minus A minus 19D, and that is equal to 5D. Given that A25 minus A20 is equal to 45, implies 5D. A25 minus A20 is 5D. So 5D equal to 45 and this implies D equal to 45 by 5, which is equal to 9. So the common difference is 9. Next one, find the seventh term from the end of AP, 7, 10, 13, etc. 184. So we have to find from the end. So first term will be 184, etc. 13, 10, 7. So first term is A equal to 184 and D is equal to 7 minus 10, which is equal to minus 3. So seventh term A7 equal to An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A7 equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 6d, and that is equal to 184 plus 6 into minus 3, which is equal to 184 minus 18, and that is equal to 166. So, seventh term of this AP is 166. Next is find if 100 is a term of the AP 25, 28, 31, etc. or not. That is 100 is a term of the AP means AN 100. That is if 25, 28, 31, etc. 100. Is this is an AP or not? So we can write AN equal to 100. And what is the formula for AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which means 100 equal to a here is 25 and d here is 28 minus 20. So 100 equal to a plus, that is 25 plus n minus 1 into 3. Okay, now this means, or we can write this as 25 plus n minus 1 into 3 equal to 100. Now, this means n minus 1, this implies n minus 1 into 3 equal to 100 minus 25, which implies n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 75. So, this implies n minus 1 equal to 75 by 3, which is equal to 25. So, n is equal to 25 plus 1, which is equal to 26. So we got n as a whole number. So this 100 is a term of this AP and it is the 26th term. 100 is the 26th term of this AP. Okay, understood? Next one is 184, a term of the sequence 3, 7, 11, etc. Let us consider that 184 is a term of this sequence. So, an will be equal to 184. And what is an? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 184. And here a equal to 3 and d equal to 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So, this implies 3 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 184, which implies 4 in, we can write this as 4 into n minus 1 and take this 3 to the right hand side is equal to 184 minus 3, which is equal to 181. So this implies n minus 1 is equal to 181 by 4, which will be a decimal. 181 by 4, 18 by 4 is 4, 2 remainder, 21 by 4 is 5, 1 remainder, then 10 by 4 is 2, 2 remainder, 25 by 4 is 5. So, n minus 1 is equal to 45.25, which implies n is equal to 45.25 plus 1, which is equal to 46.25. So, this n is a decimal number, which means this 184 cannot be a term of this sequence. Next one, which term of an AP 150, 147, 144, etc. is its first negative term? So, we can take an as 0. So, an equal to 0, that is here a equal to 150 and d equal to 147 minus 150, which is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now, a equal to 150 and b equal to minus 3. And what is the formula for an? It is a plus n minus 1 into d. And that is equal to 0. That is we are taking the nth term to be 0. That is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. And that means 150 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to 0. That is 150 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 0. That is 153 minus 3n equal to 0. And we can take this 3n to the right hand side, which means 153 equal to 3n. So, or we can write this as 3n equal to 153 itself. So, n equal to 153 by 3, which is equal to 51. So, the first negative term will be, that is 0. 51st term is 0. So, first negative term will be 52nd term, right? So, first negative term is 52nd term. Understood? 16th question. 8th term of an AP is 0. Prove that its 38th term is triple of its 18th term. 8th term of an AP is 0. And nth term, formula for nth term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Which means a8 is equal to a plus n minus 1 is 8 minus 1, that is 7d. And given that it is equal to 0, which implies a equal to minus 7d. Okay, so let us consider this as equation 1. A equal to minus 7d. Now we have to prove that A38 is equal to prove that A38 is equal to 3 times A18. 3 times triple of A18 means 3 times A18. And what is A38? A38 is equal to A plus 37t. And A equal to minus 7d. So, we can write this as minus 7d plus 37d, which is equal to 30d. So, we got A38 equal to 30d. Now, find A18. A18 equal to A plus 17d, which is equal to minus 7d plus 17d, which is equal to 10d. So, we got A38 equal to 30d. So, A38 is equal to 30d is equal to 3 into A18. Thus, we have proved that A38 equal to triple of A18. That is, 38th term is equal to triple of 18th term. Understood? 17th question. If 5 times the 5th term of an AP is equal to 8 times its 8th term, show that its 13th term is 0. 5 times 5th term. What does that mean? 5 times 5th term, that is 5 times A plus 4D is equal to 8 times its 8th term. 8 times its 8th term. Okay. And this implies 5A plus 20D is equal to 8A plus 7 8s are 56D. And this implies, taking this to the left hand side, we will get 8A minus 3A is minus 3A. Then 20D minus 56D is minus 36D equal to 0. That is, this implies 3A plus 36D equal to 0. Dividing by minus 1, which means 3 into A plus 12D equal to 0. And this implies A plus 12D equal to 0. And this shows that 13th term is 0. So, thus proved. Or we can write here, implies A13 equal to 0. That is, 13th term is 0. Okay. Next one, 5th term of an AP is 20 and sum of its 7th and 11th terms is 64. Find the common difference. 5th term of an AP is 20 means A plus 4D equal to 20. Let this be equation 1. And sum of its 7th and 11th terms is 64. So, A plus 6D plus A plus 11th term is 10D. 10d equal to 64, which gives 2a plus 16d equal to 64. And dividing all these by 2, we will get a plus 8d is equal to 32. Let this be equation 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, that is a plus 4d equal to 20. Subtracting 1 from 2, 2 minus 1. We'll get 4d equal to 12. So what does that mean? D equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3. That is common difference is 3. Next one, 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term exceeds its 10th term. That is a plus 16d minus a plus 9d is equal to 7. Right? Exceeds its 10th term by 7. That is a plus 16d minus a plus 9d equal to 7. Which means a plus 16d minus a minus 9d equal to 7. You can write implies. So, this implies a and minus a will get cancelled. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7d equal to 7. So, what is d? D equal to 7 by 7, which is equal to 1. So, the common difference here is 1. Next, the fourth term of an AP is 11. Sum of fifth and seventh terms is 34. Find the common difference. Fourth term is 11. A plus 3d equal to 11. Sum of fifth and seventh terms is 34. A plus 4d plus a plus 6d equal to 34. Which means 2a plus 10d equal to 34. And that means a plus 5d. A plus 5d equal to 17. So let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, 2 minus 1 will give a plus 5d 17 and a plus 3d equal to 11. So we will get 5d minus 3d is 2d. 2d equal to 17 minus 11 is 6. So what is d? D equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So the common difference here is 3. Okay. If the second term of an AP is 8 and fifth term is 17, find the 19th term. So second term is a plus d. A plus d equal to 8. And fifth term is 17. So a plus 4d equal to 17. So let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2 we will get 3d equal to 9. So what is d? D equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. So we got the common difference as 3. Now substituting that here, d is 3. So substituting value of d in equation 1 we will get a plus 3 equal to 8, which means a equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So we got a equal to 5 and d equal to 3. Now finding 19th term is easy. A 19 is equal to a plus 18d, which is equal to 5 plus 18 into 3, and that is equal to 5 plus, so 54 plus 5 is equal to 59. So 19th term here is 59. Okay. Now last question. If the numbers x plus 3, 2x plus 1 and x minus 7 are in AP, find the value of x. So common difference should be same if they are in AP, which means 2x plus 1 minus x plus 3 is equal to x minus 7 minus 2x plus 1. And this implies 2x plus 1 minus x minus 3 is equal to x minus 7 minus 2x minus 1, which means 2x minus x is x plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equal to x minus 2x is minus x minus 7 minus 1 is minus 8, and this implies x minus 2 plus x plus 8 equal to 0. We have brought this to the left hand side. So x minus 2 plus x plus 8 equal to 0, which implies x plus x is 2x and plus 8 minus 2 is plus 6 equal to 0. And dividing these two terms by 2, we will get x plus 3 equal to 0. And this means x equal to minus 3. So, we got x as minus 3. And we will see whether this is in AP. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Then minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Then minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10. What is the common difference? It is minus 5. So this is an AP. Okay.